Silicone breast implants have become a popular choice for women seeking to enhance their bodies and boost their self-esteem. These implants, nestled within the chest, can create a fuller, more voluptuous silhouette. Whether for reconstructive purposes after surgery or for purely cosmetic reasons, silicone breast implants offer a transformative solution. The journey of these implants, from raw materials to finished products, is a fascinating blend of science and artistry. The decision to undergo breast augmentation is deeply personal, often driven by a desire for greater confidence and self-love. It's a journey that requires careful consideration and open communication with qualified medical professionals. The goal is to achieve a natural-looking result that harmonizes with the individual's body type and aesthetic preferences. Silicone breast implants, with their soft, natural feel, have emerged as a preferred choice for many seeking to embark on this transformative journey. Silicone, a versatile polymer, forms the heart of these implants. This material, known for its flexibility, biocompatibility, and resistance to heat, makes it an excellent choice for medical devices. The silicone used in breast implants is specifically medical grade, ensuring the highest levels of purity and safety. In addition to silicone, other materials play a crucial role in the manufacturing process. These include a shell made of a specialized silicone elastomer, chosen for its strength and ability to stretch. The shell acts as a barrier, containing the silicone gel filling while maintaining the implant's shape and integrity. The journey begins with the meticulous selection and preparation of raw materials. Suppliers undergo rigorous vetting to ensure they meet the highest industry standards. Silicone elastomer, the primary component of both the shell and the filling, undergoes stringent testing. This ensures its purity, biocompatibility, and suitability for its intended use. The silicone elastomer is then carefully mixed with a cross-linking agent, a catalyst that initiates the transformation from a liquid state to a solid gel. Shaping the future. From liquid to form. The transformation from liquid silicone elastomer to a precisely shaped implant is a marvel of engineering. The process begins with the creation of a mold, often made from stainless steel or aluminum, which dictates the final shape and size of the implant. The liquid silicone elastomer is then carefully poured into the mold. The mold is then sealed and subjected to controlled heat and pressure. This process, known as compression molding, ensures that the silicone elastomer fills every crevice of the mold, replicating its intricate design with precision. Setting the stage. The curing process. Under the influence of heat, the cross-linking agent within the silicone elastomer initiates a chemical reaction. This reaction, known as curing, transforms the liquid silicone elastomer into a solid, rubbery gel. The curing process is carefully controlled, with precise temperature and time parameters. This ensures that the silicone gel achieves the desired consistency, firmness, and durability. The curing process is crucial in determining the final feel and longevity of the implant. Ensuring excellence. Quality control measures. Quality control is paramount throughout the entire manufacturing process. Every step, from the inspection of raw materials to the final product testing, is subject to rigorous scrutiny. Specialized equipment and trained technicians meticulously examine each implant. They check for any imperfections, such as air bubbles, gel inconsistencies, or shell defects. Implants that do not meet the stringent quality standards are rejected. This unwavering commitment to quality ensures that only the safest and most reliable implants reach the market. Conclusion. A legacy of beauty and safety. Silicone breast implants have revolutionized the field of cosmetic surgery, offering women a safe and effective way to enhance their beauty and confidence. The manufacturing process, a blend of advanced technology and meticulous craftsmanship, prioritizes safety and quality at every stage. From the selection of medical-grade materials to the rigorous quality control measures, the journey of a silicone breast implant is a testament to the commitment to patient well-being. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and refined approaches to breast augmentation, further empowering women on their journey to self-improvement. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.